Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to create a SharePoint site and a document library to store your data. Now let's get started. First, you need to open your SharePoint Admin Center and go to Sites, Active Sites. Click on plus Create. Now you can choose between different site types. In this example, we will use the most common site type called Team Site. Enter a site name. Microsoft will check if this name can be chosen. If everything is green, you can add one or more group owners. Under Advanced Settings, you can adjust the privacy settings. Private is the most common use. Check your time zone and click Next. Here you can add members to the site. Members can edit and view all content on this site. You can also add members later. This is useful if you want to finish the site with all the content first and then let the users have access. The new site is now created. When you click on the URL, the site will open in a new tab. Each new site you create will have a default document library called Documents. If you want to create another document library, you have to navigate to Home and click on plus New, where you can select Document Library. Enter a name for the new library and click Create. Now you can move your local data to this library. In the video on the bottom left, I'll show you how to migrate your data to SharePoint Online. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like or a comment. If you hit the subscribe button, I would be very happy and grateful. Bye!